Hi there everyone, this is your Enwys fleeting view for the rest of the week ahead and a look into the weekend. Now, as many of you are aware, we are expected to see Storm Babet move onto our shores, and that's going to bring quite a lot of rain and winds with it. So let's take a look at the detail for the next number of days. Wednesday sees gale force east to southeasterly winds across most high terrain, and to expect powerful gusts downwind of major summits. Now, the temperatures will generally not going to be too cold, but do expect, because of this, a significant wind chill under these conditions. Scotland sees very little rain, with the best of the cloud breaks expected further west, though we have the heavy rain moving in across the Welsh hills and mountains later on in the day. Then as that rain moves further northwards, it does then move on into the English hills and mountains through the evening and overnight. Thursday is another very windy day with severe gales across the Highlands region as well as the Cairngorms area. Gales easing though elsewhere, and rain will be heaviest and most prominent across the eastern, southern and central Highlands, and of course across the Cairngorms region, totals getting very high through here. Eastern areas of the southern uplands also seeing some heavy and persistent rain. England sees rain on and off with some heavy bursts at times in Wales. Where it is dry in the west, visibility may be locally good at times, but again, generally not an overly cold day, though adding on a wind chill will make it feel significantly colder. All this makes the conditions poor and very difficult to walk in for the majority of areas. And having a look at Friday, as the models currently sit, it will be again another wet and windy day with gales and heavy rain for most mountain ranges. Less windy and only occasionally wet across Snowdonia and the Brecon Beacons, though cloud here is expected to still be extensive. The northwest and western Highlands also not seeing as much rain as other areas as well. Temperatures dropping across the Highlands area, milder relatively speaking elsewhere, though once again, do keep in mind that wind chill, which will make everywhere exposed to the wind feel like you're in -degrees. And a quick look into the weekend, well, as we have an easterly wind that continues, it is expected to drag in a bit of a colder air, which will drop that freezing level down to around 1,000 metres. Expect the precip then to fall as snow flurries on those eastern Munro tops, while the west stays largely dry. Currently largely dry across the Welsh mountains, the Lake Districts, the Dales. Possible showers though onto the eastern Pennines on that easterly drag, but western regions of the Pennines should fare drier. Whatever you're up to this week, make it a good one. That is your Enwys fleeting view for the rest of the week and weekend ahead.